Hello guys, in this video, we will talk about Smart Algo versus LuxAlgo and help you decide which is the better trading indicator tool in 2025. So let's start with Smart Algo. Smart Algo is a newer trading suite that promises high accuracy signals, buy and sell alerts, and strategy testing, all designed for traders who prefer clarity and clean visuals. LuxAlgo, on the other hand, is a veteran in the field. It integrates with TradingView and provides trend confirmation, premium signals, and auto-support resistant levels. So let's compare both tools. Number 1, ease of use. Smart Algo has a simpler setup ideal for beginners, while LuxAlgo is a feature-rich and may feel overwhelming at first. Number 2, accuracy and signals. Both use proprietary algorithms, but LuxAlgo has more backtesting history and social proof from thousands of traders. Number 3, customization. LuxAlgo allows deep customization, adjust signal sensitivity, combine with RSI, or create hybrid setups, while Smart is more plug and play. Number 4, support and community. LuxAlgo has a large Discord group, tutorials, and prompt support, while Smart is growing but with a smaller community. Number 5, their pricing. Smart offers competitive pricing for what it does, while LuxAlgo is more expensive but offers lifetime and flexible plans. So for final verdict, go with Smart Algo if you want a minimalist experience with basic but effective signals. Choose LuxAlgo for deeper customization, community support, and long-term reliability. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.